If my eye hurt, I had to drink a ginger ale or drink water. If my stomach or my toe hurt, I had to drink ginger ale or water.
Still got some boys on the payroll. You niggas still tipping Carol. She with a P in the leg, the condo. We bout to use my Giano. Helping the P out some beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Bronco. Oh yeah, gotta go get it tomorrow. I'm selling out the Apollo. Inside my body is hollow. Count up them back, get your folks out the ghetto. You know that I'm with the motto. Say nigga want to talk out his side of his neck, I just let it be in, come and swallow. Told my little brother we pullin' up spanking these niggas that thinkin' we hoes. Don't do no explaining, don't know what you thinkin', but you help a young nigga grow. You add up the 2 rings on both of my fingers, I feel like 600 or more. Give out so many bells about so many bangers, you asking the real niggas no. I been putting that shit on, show me boy how to dress and get fresh and pull up with the hoe. Don't care about no nigga been sending me threats on the west, I get love from the lopes. Let me turn back around and go back to herself for a nigga with internet jokes. But that shit I'm still doing it for Jeff and Lakita, you know it's RP to the Pope. And my heart covered in chrome, then I just not rockin' chrome. Gonna back up early morn, that bitch is pissing me wrong. Half your little spinners been doing it wrong. I never talk on the phone. He a class just and they wanna be known. Man, that we did put them on. And I'm right back on Rodeo. Still got some boys on the payroll. You niggas still tipping Carol. She with a P in the leg, the condo. We bout to use my Giano. Helping the P out some beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Bronco.
I told you that nigga was back, bro.
OJ, gotta go get it tomorrow. I'm selling out the Apollo. Inside my body is hollow. Count up them back, get your folks out the ghetto. You know that was always the motto. Say nigga won't talk out his side of his neck, I just let it be in, come and swallow. You pick the fight and no way you can run from it, nigga, cause we going at it. I know some nigga locked up in the dungeon, they say they built me like a fabric. I know you heard I've been pulling up pressing these niggas who claim not ready. And been all on the yacht with my motherfucking shirt off, look at it, my whole body tatted. Got the T-Rex automatic. No, I ain't signed to Atlantic. Bulletproof truck and it's medic. Ain't taking shit else for granted. All this shit costs, it ain't nothing for free in this shit, so yeah, I gotta have it. Yeah, it's the young gun on one, and I'm still a big P, and I smell like Dallas. Back on up, at it. One of my diamonds a paddock. I got these niggas the maddest. I'm dressing up like a salad. I said this. I said they be on the addy. She done pulled up with no panties. In my Los Angeles palace.
Have a good night. Hey guys, so welcome back to another day in the vlog. I am getting ready to put on some lip gloss and I'm going out to Chick-fil-A to get me some lunch.
It's Kizomba.
Would you believe me if I said I'm in love? Baby, I want you to want me. Would you believe me if I said I'm in love? Baby, I want you. We are. Got me up all night. And we are. Oh, singing this love song. We are. Got me up all night. And we are. Back when I was sleeping in my mama crib. Even
so yeah, like I'm saying, so what I was saying was I'm getting ready to head out and get me some lunch from Chick-fil-A, and then I'm gonna come back. And I did go to the Dollar Tree earlier, but I didn't vlog that. I didn't take y'all with me, but I did go to the Dollar Tree and I went to a few other stores. I'm gonna put together some Easter baskets for my niece and my nephew, for my kids, for my boys and my son's girlfriend. So I've got 5 kids I'm going to be putting Easter baskets for. And of course my kids and the girlfriend, they're of age, but I'm going to still create like a little basket, a little goodie bag or basket for them for stuff that they would actually need, stuff that they probably wouldn't think to go buy for Easter. I'm not going to fill their baskets up with a bunch of candy and stuff like that. I mean, I'm going to put a few pieces of candy in there, but more so like stuff that they know that stuff I know they're probably not going to buy with their own money, like socks, underwear, t-shirts, deodorant. So y'all know, like a little cute little care package or something like that. Yeah, I'm that mama. So that's what we're going to do when we come back from lunch. But in the meantime, in between time, y'all, let's go get some lunch from Chick-fil-A. I haven't had Chick-fil-A in a little minute. I know at least for a good week or two I haven't had Chick-fil-A. Yeah, so let me finish up this little bit of work that I got going on right now, and then I'm getting ready to head out, and y'all are going to come with me while we go grab some lunch. Y'all, I left y'all at home. I'm so sorry. I left y'all at home so hard. I'm so sorry, y'all. I told y'all I was going to take y'all with me to the Chick-fil-A. And I didn't. I really forgot. I was on the phone with my husband. Doing what mad people do. Venting about everything. But I ended up getting some fries. I got a Arnold Palmer. And I also got a chicken sandwich. Nothing too major. And I got with no pickles. And then I also got the honey roasted barbecue. You guys seen that before? If you never tried this sauce, definitely try it when you go to Chick-fil-A. It's really good. And I like to put it on my sandwich. Mmm, so delish. First bite to you. Now I'll take a bite. Mmm. It's delicious. I'm about to finish my food, my lunch. I'm gonna call y'all back. right, guys, so I just put together, let me close this door. I just put together somewhat of the kids' Easter baskets. I'm not done. I still got some more stuff to put in there, but time was getting away from me, and I want to go ahead and get my dinner started because I had a few requests to cook this meal. So I'm about to fry some fish, some rice, some stewed tomatoes, and some cornbread. My family have been asking for me to cook like a real country meal, and I haven't cooked like a country meal in a while. So I'm like, you know what, while I'm in the mood for it, because if I'm not in the mood for it, my heart ain't in it, it don't taste right. But if my heart is in it and I feel like cooking, then it tastes chef's kiss. So I'll probably do like some B-roll, let you guys watch me prepare my dinner for today, and then yeah, I'll show you guys exactly what it looked like, and I'll bring y'all along with the process as I'm cooking and preparing and doing all the things as you do for your dudes. What? Never mind. I'll call you back. To another day of the vlog. So I didn't finish vlogging last night whenever we finished eating our dinner, but the fish and the rice, the rice and the tomatoes was good. But before I end the vlog, I did want to share with you guys that if you guys drink ginger ale, and y'all know at least where I come from, my mama and my grandma always used to say everything that kind of help all ailments is either water or ginger ale. If my eye hurt, I had to drink a ginger ale or drink water. If my stomach or my toe hurt, I had to drink ginger ale or water. Those are the two things that really worked for me when I was coming up, okay? So anyways, I don't know about y'all, but y'all comment down below and let me know if y'all grandma, your mama, or your aunt, or whoever raised you basically said everything is a cure of ginger ale and water. Yeah. If you ain't bleeding, you'll be all right. Okay, so on that note, I have found, my husband and I were introduced to a newfound ginger ale. Okay, you guys, Seagram's ain't got nothing on this. What is the other one? Schweppes Schweppes, I think I'm saying it right. Schweppes ginger ale ain't got nothing on this. The Stove brand ain't got nothing on this. The Piggly Wiggly, the Food Liner, the Walmart brand, the Sam's Club ginger ale ain't got nothing on these, y'all. Now, they are a little pricey. They do cost a little penny. But they are so delicious. They are the Reed's ginger ales. This is what it's come in a 4-pack, come in a box. And I think you normally get them from like the Harris Teeter. I think you get them at Food Lion. I don't know if Walmart sells them or not. I don't know if Publix sells them or not. I think I have gone to Publix a few times and they sold the ones that come in the glass jar, but not the ones in the can. Y'all, when I say these will change your life, if you are feeling nauseous, if you're feeling sick on your stomach, if you got a headache, if your toe hurt, go get you some Reed's ginger ale. It's a good mixer for those who like to indulge in the spirits of, getting inebriated and things like that. If you're an adult, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. These are good mixers for that, and they're just really like good ginger ale. Like I said, they are kind of a little bit pricey because you only get 4 in a box, and I think sometimes they range anywhere from $5.99 to $6.99 for a 4-pack. But my husband actually found these on sale at the Food Lion yesterday or the day before that, and they're on sale for $3.99. So they're really good, you guys. So if you're in the market of trying a new beverage to help whenever your toe is feeling sore, or if your eye hurt, go get you some Reed's ginger ale. And this is not a paid sponsorship, but I'm just telling you guys, and I'm putting y'all on the reels, but this is how it looks. All right, and I just wanted to share that with you guys, just in case if y'all come across, if you're in the market of looking for a nice ginger ale. And I just like ginger ale overall because I like the flavor of ginger, period. So I drink ginger ale even when ain't nothing hurting on me. You know what I'm saying? I just drink it because I like the way it tastes. And I love ginger. But anyways, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I've been talking long enough, and you guys have basically spent a day in the life with me of working from home and just kind of getting stuff ready for the spring. Oh, I did not finish the kids' Easter baskets just yet. I still have a few more things I need to purchase, but my husband did get my niece and my nephew this little Easter basket right here. Got one for my niece and then one for my nephew right here. But by the time you guys see this vlog, I think they'll probably already have this stuff by then. And we got some other stuff over here too, but I'm gonna put that in their actual baskets that I'm making upstairs, along with the big kids as well. But anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed hanging out with me for the last day or two. If you're new to the channel, should you like the essence of today's video or any other video that I post, to ask that you subscribe to the channel, become part of my internet family, because I love you guys so much. And you guys always remember, if I ain't never told you nothing else, if Big Sis, Lovely, if Miss Carla, Aunt Carla, Big Sis, cuz, my dog, it don't even matter. If I have never told you anything else, just know that trouble don't last always, baby. Trouble don't last always, okay? I love you guys with the love of Christ, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye.
I got a little something for you, but here's what I need you to do.